welcome to today's showing. Chris Davis here. We have an incredible tour for you today. We're gonna start on that open road right here on that main floor. You have hardwood floors, you have an updated kitchen, a beautiful deck all to yourself to soak in that summer sun right now. And now, turn it down, crank it up. We're going to the second level. Second level, you're gonna find 2 big bedrooms, nice carpet, closets, and a full bath. Okay, you still with me? Yes, you got this. Now we're going downhill. Take it to the saddle and sprint. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, down on that first level, entering in from the ground, you have your 1-car garage, you have in-unit laundry, and a mudroom. Parking for 2 more cars. Folks, 40 Ashley Lane is an incredible condo. Lots of space for you in the heart of East Deering, off Ocean Ave, next to Monty's, next to the boulevard. I cannot wait to show you it. Thank you for joining me on this ride. Here we go, here we go. Now, if only I can find the power button. Ah, found it, right here. And if spinning isn't your thing, maybe you just like running in the garage, or maybe you just want to run outside down to Back Cove. Literally, great place for active people. Check out the gear. Back to Cody. I don't think Cody teaches running. Olivia does. Olivia Amatos. It's not her name. I'm sweating.